How to fix apps saying no internet connection on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on troubleshooting and fixing issues when app shows no internet connection despite having Wi-Fi or mobile data on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your settings and then you gotta scroll down till you find the option of general. And over here, you gotta click on software update and make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version of software. And then you gotta scroll down, click on iPhone storage, and here you gotta select the application for which you are encountering the issue. So scroll down and let's say you're encountering this issue for YouTube. So you can simply click on YouTube and then you can click on offload app and just click on offload app, and once the app will be offloaded, it will free up storage used by the app, but it will keep document and data. And then you can simply click on reinstall app, and after that, when you open the application again, it will fix your issue. However, if the issue is still there, you can go back, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. And over here, you can click on reset and then click on reset network settings, and that will just eradicate your problem and everything will be fine. However, if the issue is still there, you can go back to your settings, scroll down till you find the option of screen time. So you can simply click on screen time and then scroll down till you find the option of content and privacy restrictions. So simply click on it and then you gotta toggle this on, and then you gotta click on allowed apps. And then you can see that which apps is allowed. If any app is not allowed, or if the app for which you're encountering the issue is not allowed, you can simply toggle the button on for it. And if the issue is still there, you can simply come up and click on cellular if you're using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. So you can simply click on cellular, scroll down and select the application. For example, if any of the application over here, let's say Instagram, has got this turned off, so you can simply turn it on. However, if it is already turned on, so you can turn it off for a few seconds, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. And if none of it resolve your issues, you can simply head over to your app store and then you're going to click on your profile at the top right. Then you're going to scroll down and select the application for which you're encountering the issue, and then you can simply click on update here at the right side, and updating the application will help you resolve the issue. So that was basically how you can fix apps saying no internet connection on iPhone. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.